See the big net? It's like a drag net, but it's not. It's in the front. I think it's for unloading fish. I'm sure maybe it drives out to bigger boats and they unload the fish into it. And drive it back. Fish and they just flick the fish into that net. Just keeping them. Boats like that in Vietnam. They have the net at the front like that. But unloading fish, I think.
Ngôi dòng sông là nơi tâm hồn ta luôn hướng về.
Look up, look. Hey, you can't see. Looney, look up. Oh, monkey right above you, Looney. You're surrounded. You can't see the big alpha though, yeah. Look above. Yeah. Right above you, Looney. Be careful. Sharp teeth. Okay.
You like that?
Yeah, the monkeys sharp. The monkey, they're not scared of people, eh? The monkeys in Kaohsiung. If you got food, they're aggressive. No food, that's okay.
No food.
No food, and they're only aggressive when they're in a gang. They're in a troop.
They're gangsters.
Only when they're in a troop. And they're by themselves like this. They're fine. Not dogs. It's like they're not dogs, they're not humans. What are they? They're monkeys.
Why'd you come and strangle me? I just brought you 50 miles late and Dawson, you want to strangle me. What's wrong with you?
What's the matter with you people, huh? You sponge on you? Burn your house down, murder your wife, rape your child, that's all right. Not have a drink with you, not have a flaming bloody drink with you, that's a criminal offence. That's the end of the bloody world.
You're mad, you bastard.
Give them beer and can buy beer. Heimweh. Nah, Mot Long. 20,000 for one. That's alright. It's not too bad. Normal price is like 12. A little bit more, but convenience. Good.